Alrighty, so we're at the airport today. We're going to Reykjavik. This is Michael's Christmas present to me, a lovely surprise. So yeah, we've got to go get in the plane now. Let's go. It is Sunday in Reykjavik. This is our first proper full day here, our only full day here. We've been out for cinnamon buns, they were delightful. We also had a lemon Krona, and what did you have?
I had the lemon Krona.
Now we're just in the car waiting for it to defrost because it is covered in snow. Okay, so we are on the road. The conditions are actually not great at all. The roads are really snowy. There's a lot of snow drifting across the road ahead of us, and yeah, it's super beautiful, but it's a pretty much drive slow situation. And we'll see how far we can get today because the roads are definitely a lot worse than we were expecting them to be. So we're at Kerio, which is a big crater. I think usually it's full of lovely blue water, but today it's probably going to be full of snow. It's so windy. I feel like every time I put the camera on, I'm looking more and more frazzled as the days go on. Yeah, the conditions are really bad right now. I would say we can only see like 30 metres in front of us, maybe not even as much as that. We're like following a convoy of cars behind a big gritter. We've already been diverted, our road home was closed.
Holy
It's
shit.
like proper white out here. I can't see a fucking thing. It's our last morning in Reykjavik today. We're just packing up our bags and then we're going to put them in the car and we're going to go into town and find ourselves some nice breakfast. It's still super dark. We haven't got a chance to see the northern lights this trip, so I suppose that just means we're going to have to come back. So yeah, I should probably go and help Michael finish off packing rather than mess about outside. When you get a pastry, you have to photograph it at least 40 times before you actually take a bite. Last morning.
Oh.
What have you got? What's that one?
Took a bite.
Vanilla. Oh my god. This is going to be the thing I am saddest about leaving Reykjavik. Broad.